right around the corner from me, there was a place called Prospect Place. And the whole street was loaded with push carts, wooden carts on big wheels, which you can push around. And everything on a cart that you could possibly think of was for sale. They had clothing, they had pots and pans, they had books, they had any type of food that you could think of. And there was a big chicken market on the street as well. And we used to go in there and get kosher chickens where we used to pick out our own live chicken, and right then and there they would cut their necks and let the blood drip into a can to make it kosher. And then they would flick it for you. They would take the feathers off if you gave them an extra nickel, because you don't want to do that at home. Although my grandmas used to do that at home. And that's how we would get our food. They had gallons of pickles and peppers and sauerkrauts. And you would go in. In those days, they only had bottles, glass bottles. And they would sell it by the jar. And they would go into the barrels and pick the pickles out and put it in the jar, and that's how you would pay for it. And it was wonderful. I still remember every minute of those days when we used to go shopping and see everything that you could possibly want on wagons or in stores, clothing, everything. It was just there